Greetings, fellow travelers. We're back for another point of view on the ride, roller coaster ride. This one's gonna be Kiddy Hawk. Yeah, we're at Carowinds, and this is Kiddy Hawk. It's got a nice blue painted background. It's suspended coaster. It's a family coaster, so it's not too intense or anything like that. But we want to see how it compares to another one that we've been on that was similar. But I have a feeling that, you know, good maintenance, keeping everything nice and greased. It looks like it's got a good paint job, so you never know. They might be a little bit better at one park than they are at another if they are, you know, what they call a clone, meaning that the architectural plans are the same. But I've noticed that sometimes they ride a little bit differently, just depending on the maintenance. So we'll see how this one is. Join us point of view, and we'll see you when we get on the coaster. All right.
Difficulties at this time. Failure
there it is.
Safety rules may result in ejection from the
It was
park.
tough, I guess.
Thank you, and enjoy your high-flying adventure on Kiddy Hawk.
Looking like rookies. That's okay. As long as we get to ride it, Becky, we're on. It's a rocker and a roller. So, oh, okay. I guess we'll check this. Just hands up. Good. I got the grab there. Good to go. I guess we're going, Becky. The maintenance issue was a non-issue. I guess they were just waiting for a change in shift. Maybe she's heading out. Anything's possible. Ooh, away we go. Oh, did you hit your face there already? Yep, I already hit the left cheek. We're just gonna try to not get injured on this one. That's gonna be the thing. Don't get too hurt. Oh boy, hold on to your pants. Oh, oh, it's a headbanger. It's a headbanger. That was a double banger. Okay, just try to keep your head back, everybody. Oh! Oh! 2 head hits. Another one. There's another one. Cheekbones. Woo! Hold on. Oh, it's almost over. Oh, yes. It's over, boy. The best part of that ride is the end. So happy it's over. Wow, I thought this might have been a smoother baby than its clone sister, but I gotta say, maybe not. Maybe not.
And enjoy the rest of your day at Carowinds, where the Carolinas come together.
Stick with us. We'll tell you what we think. Woo! All right, everybody, just coming off of Kiddy Hawk right there. What'd you think of Kiddy Hawk?
Yeah, it's a nice kids coaster. It had a lot of, I don't know, unexpected speed in the back row for me, but it is a lot of hitting the side restraints there, which...
Yeah, I mean, if you're a tiny kid, it's going to be a-okay, no problem at all. If you're a full-blown adult, you're going to be up there and your head almost fills out the whole head restraint. Right. In the back, it shakes you a little bit. You get more speed in the back, but it's definitely a little bit more shaky, especially when you come like around the turns. You'll see kind of the head just goes a little bit. But it's a great ride for the kids. You know, if you got a starter coaster or something, you want to get them on Woodstock Express, bring them on this one. And then I would say Ricochet would be fine too. You know, the mouse coaster over there. That'd be another third coaster to try them on. And then work your way up. Don't let Kiddy Hawk fool you like we were saying earlier. Nighthawk over here is not a kid's coaster. I mean, if you're a kid and you meet the height requirements, you want to get on it, go for it. But if you're a first-time rider and they've never been on a coaster, you're worried about freaking them out, that's not the one to get on for sure. So it gets a little bit rough, but this one is a great one. If you stuck with this long, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you're new. We'd appreciate you joining the family, being a fellow traveler with all the rest of us. And there'll be a lot more videos out soon. So we'll see you for those, and enjoy, everybody. It's a nice park, and we're glad we came. We had a nice trip. So thanks for watching. See you, everybody.